In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reverse audio in Kdenlive Video Editor. So it is super simple. First of all, what you need to do is open up your Kdenlive project and find your audio that you want to reverse. I have my audio here. You can just click play for a couple seconds. It sounds a little wonky because my computer is very old, so it's not meant for video editing. But to reverse the audio, you simply just go down here to the audio, just right click on it. Then you can go up here to change speed. And then you have the opportunity to change the speed here. You can pitch the compensation, or you can reverse clip. And if you click reverse clip and OK, as you can see, now it's updated and now it is reversed. So I'm gonna click play and just be aware it's gonna sound completely out of tune. Like so. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!